For testing the first billing program or test the board whether the LED is blinking or not, we need to open Arduino IDE first, and after that we just go to the file menu, and from there go to the examples and basis, and here we choose the billing sketch. This is the billing sketch. This sketch or the program is used for programming any IoT based device or the microcontroller which is supported by Arduino IDE. For blinking the LED, of course the built-in LED for a second, and since we haven't changed anything, we need to just click the upload button. Before that, we need to check whether the board is connected. So of course it's very important, we need to choose the board first. From the board menu, we need to choose generic ESP8266 for our case, and then we need to choose the port information. For my case it is COM3 port, and without doing anything else we just click the upload button, and this upload button will start uploading the code to the board. uh, Before that it's to compile the source code. Once the compilation is done, it's going to upload, and information is found here. Upload related information, you see there's some information showing uploading 41% done, 50%, 58%, 75%, and finally 91, 100%. So after that, I request everyone to hard reset the board using the switch. There is a button switch in the board, or reset button clicked here, and check the output whether for this after uploading this program, we'll see the blink, and LED built-in LED is blinking for 1 second. Depending on the manufacturer, the LED may be red, green, or blue. It depends on the manufacturer. And thanks for watching.